Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to get your TikTok stream key in 2025 so that you could go live from OBS, Streamlabs or any other streaming software. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, in order to access TikTok stream key, you typically need a TikTok account with 1000 plus followers. You need to be at least 18 years of age and you should not have any community guideline violations. Now these requirements may change according to your region or it may change region by region. So you need to basically check your eligibility first, and in order to check it, you need to tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, then tap on the creator tools. Over here you will see the live center option, so you need to tap on live center and see what are the requirements in your own region. So once you apply for the requirements, once you meet these requirements, you can basically apply for the TikTok live access. In order to do this, you will have to launch your TikTok mobile application just like so. Then you need to tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the creators tool option, and here you just have to scroll down, and now if the live option is activated in your account, it will show up over here. So you need to simply tap on the live option, and if you are eligible, you will see the live streaming via PC or live studio. So you need to tap on the start option in the application and review further terms and conditions. Now if you want to log in into your TikTok live center, you just have to simply open your web browser and go on TikTok. There you need to just log in into your TikTok account, and then you will be able to see the go live option. Now when we scroll through the TikTok account, you will see the go live option in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you just simply use that and you can live stream on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.